Alright, I can already see what the problem is there. I mean, the lid lifted off of the drum trap. Yep, the gasket went bad. And probably what happened is the threads corroded away and it popped off in there. So, now that's a very difficult fix. So what we do with that is we get a drum, instead of trying to find a new lid and those old threads are never good, what I do is I get a fern coat lid, like a fern coat cap, and we try to line one up. Sometimes they fit on pretty good, sometimes they don't. Here I have a 4 and 3. And the 4 is kind of loose, but I'm going to try that. And you can see it here. 4-inch fern coat cap. The 3-inch, I'd probably fit it over, but it'd be a tight fit. So I'm going to go with the 4-inch here. Now if I don't feel that 4-inch is going to squeeze that on it enough, I'll change it. It is kind of loose there, but... Okay, I'm going to go ahead and tighten that down. Okay, so we tightened that pretty good. You can see all the water right there. So, it was leaking and I was able to get that cap on there and tighten it down. But that is the best fix for a drum trap lid. Instead of trying to find a cap that's going to fit there and the threads are all corroded away and pretty much anything you can do is silicone that down. Now, on this lid here, I could have reused this and cleaned this all up around here. And I could have silicone that back down or use a polyurethane caulking, but probably silicone so we can remove it and replace it. But that's only a very, very temporary fix. But it is in pretty good shape as far as the lid goes. We just lost our threads. So silicone, and you kind of cleaned it real good. Cleaned inside here, the length of that, and you could have pressed that down with silicone, and that would have been a temporary fix. But I like the fern coat cap on the drum trap to correct the drum trap lid corroding away. Quick, easy fix.